Welcome to Smart Kitchen. Today, we're making a flavorful and healthy dish that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. This is Southwestern Tofu Scramble, a colorful protein-rich recipe inspired by classic Southwestern flavors, but completely plant-based and wonderfully simple to prepare. To make this dish, you'll need a few fresh and familiar ingredients: firm tofu, zucchini, corn kernels, scallions, chili powder, ground cumin, a little salt, and fresh cilantro for the final touch. This recipe uses basic ingredients, but the combination creates a beautiful balance of color, texture, and flavor. Let's start by preparing the vegetables. Dice the zucchini into medium-sized pieces, slice the scallions, and make sure your corn is ready to go. You don't need perfect cuts here, just keep everything around the same size so they cook evenly. Zucchini and corn pair beautifully with tofu because they bring sweetness, freshness, and a bright pop of color to the dish. Now heat a little vegetable oil, use the type of your preference, in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the crumbled tofu along with chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Stir everything together and cook for about 4 to 6 minutes, or until the tofu begins to brown slightly. As the spices warm up, you'll notice the amazing aroma. This is where the Southwestern personality of the dish really begins. Move the tofu to a bowl and add a bit more oil to the same pan. Add the zucchini, corn, and sliced scallions. Cook the vegetables for about 3 minutes, stirring gently, just until they soften but still keep their color and freshness. This step builds the heart of the dish: tender vegetables, lightly caramelized, full of flavor, and ready to absorb the spices from the tofu. Now return the tofu to the pan and mix everything together. Let it cook for another 2 minutes, so the flavors fully combine. The colors are beautiful gold from the corn, deep green from the zucchini, and warm tones from the spices. This dish is satisfying, high in protein, and surprisingly comforting. Despite being very light, your Southwestern Tofu Scramble is ready. Serve it warm and finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. It pairs wonderfully with a cup of hot tea, especially if you want to enjoy it the way many Asian-inspired tofu dishes are traditionally served. Look at those colors and textures, simple ingredients transformed into a delicious, wholesome meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out our free cookbook, Healthy Tofu Recipes, available at Smart Kitchen. vmbooks.com. The link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more easy healthy recipes you can cook at home, and let us know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.